everyone. I'm Kenneth Marley Frias, and today I'll be discussing an interesting topic, the American and Japanese taxation system. This topic explores how different foreign powers, the Americans and Japanese influence the Philippines through their tax systems. During the American period, taxation became more organized and fair. They established the Bureau of Internal Revenue and used tax and to build schools, roads, and hospitals, helping the country grow. In contrast, the Japanese period brought heavier and unfair taxes. People were forced to pay and even give crops to support the war, using Mickey Mouse money that had almost no value, which led to poverty and suffering. By comparing these two systems, we can see how proper taxation can either promote national develop or cause hardship. Through this, we understand the importance of collecting and using taxes honestly for the people's welfare and progress. American and Japanese taxation system. Historical background. When the Americans took over the Philippines in 1898, they introduced a more organized and modern way of collecting tax. In 1904, they passed the Internal Revenue Law and create the Bureau of Internal Revenue, BIR, to manage tax collection. 1. Under their system, taxes included 2. Income tax, 3. Property tax, and business or trade tax. Tariffs on imports and exports. The money collected was used to build roads, schools, hospitals, and other public service. The American system focused on development and fairness, helping prepare the Philippines for self-government. Impact and analysis. The American taxation system has mostly positive effects. 1. It made tax collection more systematic and fair. 2. It funded important services like school, roads, and hospitals, and introduced the idea that people who earn more should pay more taxes. On the other hand, the Japanese taxation system had negative effects. It caused suffering because of forced payments and worthless money. It damaged the economy and made life harder for ordinary Filipinos. In short, the Americans used tax to build and improve the country, while the Japanese used them mainly for their own benefit during wartime. Reflection. Looking at modern taxation today, we can see that the Bureau of Internal Revenue, BIR, shortcut, started during the American era, still plays a major role. The idea of using taxes for public development continues today. From the Japanese period, we learned that taxes should be collected honestly and used for the people's welfare, not for exploitation. Modern tax reforms like the Train Law try to make taxes fairer by lowering income tax for workers and ensuring businesses contribute properly. In conclusion, history teach us that taxes are not just payments. They are our shared way of helping the country grow. When used properly, taxation brings fairness, order, and progress. Thank you for listening, guys, and thank you po, ma'am.